Hey guys, it's the Cardboard Lord again. Today we are making the Infinity Gauntlet. So I took these pieces of the fingers from the templates and glue them together. In the middle I went ahead and glued a piece of string into this bottom slot. Then I glued in a zip tie in the slot at the top of the finger. The zip tie will make it so the finger will bend back into its original position. I went ahead and glued a second zip tie in there just to make it a bit stronger. Then glue the rest of the pieces over that so the string and zip ties are not exposed. Now we can test it and see that it works pretty well. I did that 4 more times for the rest of the fingers. Then I took this long piece and made a bunch of slices that didn't go all the way through. This will make it bendy. Then glue this on the other piece of the hand. Then I'm just going to cut this extra piece off. Then cut out 5 rectangles and glue in the fingers. Once the 5 fingers are glued in, take this piece and poke 5 holes in it with a pencil. Cut up a plastic straw and add some glue in the holes and put the straw pieces in. And then glue it into the bottom of the hand. Thread the strings through. Now take this large piece and glue it onto the gauntlet. Now take these 2 other pieces and glue them on to create edges. Take these 2 identical pieces, glue them together, and glue them into the gauntlet to create a handle. Take 4 more zip ties and create loops for your fingers. Then tie them onto the string nice and tight. You will end up cutting the extra string off. Now for the thumb, I am going to tie it onto the same loop as the index finger. Now glue on the whole other side of the gauntlet. Take the pieces from the templates that hold up on the infinity stones and glue them on as shown. Now I'm going to take these other decoration and design parts and just glue them on. Here's how it looks. Now I am going to glue in the infinity stones that I show how to make in another video. Now your infinity gauntlet is done. Please like and share this video. Also don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any new stuff. Thanks. Bye.